Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create 2D line chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, date, unit price and amount. To create 2D line chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group have a line charts option. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the first is a 2D line, second is a 3D line. So here I'm going to select the 2D line. In 2D line, there are different types of 2D line chart is available. So I select this one and that's it. Here you can see the 2D line chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. In chart design tab, you can design your chart. So go to the chart design. In chart style, you can use here a different chart style. Just click on this drop down arrow and when you keep cursor on the any chart style, you can see the preview of the chart style in below 2D line chart. See here. So I just click on it, apply the chart style. Here you can see. So this is a way you can change the chart style. Okay. If you want to change the layout, again go to the chart design. In chart layout group, click on the quick layout option. And here you can see the different types of layout is available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview in the 2D line chart, the quick layout, you can check the preview and select those you want. So I select this one and that's it. You can see your layout, you can change here easily. If you want to increase the line chart size, you just drag the corner with the mouse and you can increase the size of chart also here. Okay. And if you want to change the chart types, again go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open. Change chart type. You can select any one chart here to change the chart type. So here I select the different types of line chart. So now I select this one and that's it. Here you can check the preview. After that, click on OK and that's it. Here you can see you can easily change the chart type also. If you want to move the chart any another sheet, you can easily move this chart in another sheets also. I just add here the one new sheet. Just click on the plus sign and add here the sheet number 2. And here go to the chart design. In location group, click on the move chart option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, move chart. Click on the second option, object in. In sheet number 1 is selected, just click on this drop down arrow and select the sheet number 2 and click on OK. And here you can see your chart is moved. Okay. So this is a way you can easily move your chart in different sheet also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.